Credit card for Facebook ads. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you step by step how to add a credit card to start running ads on Facebook or Instagram. Enjoy these types of videos on the channel? Seen other related videos? Subscribe, like, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. Alright folks, let's get started. In the search bar at the top, type in business.facebook.com. Click on More Tools on the side, then select Billing and Payments. Now click on Payment Settings at the top. Choose the profile where you want to add your credit card. If it's the wrong profile, just click to select the correct one. Click Get Started and choose a payment method. I'll choose credit or debit card. I'll click Next and enter your card details here. Card name, number, expiry date, and security code. The security code is on the back of your card. Then folks, just click the Save button. Don't miss the next video with step-by-step guide to advertising on Facebook. Any questions? Leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care. God bless. Cheers.